Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Al Minhaj campus. This is an introductory video of our online Quran learning course, in which I would like to tell you that this course is going to be very beneficial for those who want to learn Quran Pak with proper tajweed. We will start this course from the very beginning, from first page of Qaida, so that if you are a beginner and you don't know the basic things about Quran reading, by following this course, you will be able to read Quran Pak with proper tajweed, inshallah. And at the same time, this course is for those people who want to teach online Quran Pak and they don't know how to conduct an online Quran class and how to deal with students. Last but not least, this course is also available in Urdu language on same channel. So if you know Urdu and you want to learn in Urdu language, you can follow our other course on same channel. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video with our first lesson. Allah Hafiz.